We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 3 of our daily vlog. In my previous video, we did set up our tank and organize my bedroom a little bit, but into this video we still have some more work to do because it's a work in progress and it's not gonna get done in one day. I do want to do a water change for the tank because you guys saw how in the last video what happened to the tank. It was really messy, like the water wasn't clear the way that I wanted. But over the week I did one water change for the tank and the water looks clearer a little bit. And today I am going to do another water change. Hopefully by next week the water will be totally fine because I am so impatient and I just want my tank to be like the cleanest one ever. So we are going to be doing that, but before we get right into this video, I do have a package to unbox. This is a spider tripod. I've been struggling with filming with my phone and camera at the same time. Like I literally have to use two separate tripods for my filming, and it's really hard for me to make sure they're in the same position, and moving two tripod around is just a lot of work. And I was at the store, I was at Staples last week and I bumped into this spider tripod and I'm like, this is really gonna work for me because I could literally wrap this tripod around my original tripod and stick my phone or my camera on it and just film on the go. That way I don't have to move two tripods at the same time and try to make them stay in the same angle. So we are going to unbox the tripod now because I don't want to film for TikTok and YouTube at the same time and I'm going to be needing it. So I got this tripod for about $11 and I think like it's going to work because you can literally wrap this around. Let's unbox this and put it to the test and see if it really does the work. And this is all the accessories that came in with the tripod. This is so cool. I have my spider tripod attached to my original tripod, and this is such a game changer because now I don't have to move around two separate tripods trying to get the same angle from both of my cameras. I can literally just move just this and still get the best shot that I want. It's going to be so much easier for me to create content for YouTube as well as TikTok. This spider tripod is a game changer and I'm so loving it. So that's pretty much it for my spider tripod. We are going to go ahead and continue the video, but I still wanted to show you guys. This is so cool. I am so loving it. And yeah, we're gonna go film for YouTube and TikTok at the same time because we have our spider tripod and that should be fairly easy for us to do. So for my water change, I am going to be needing my bucket. You all remember this bucket that I got from the dollar store in my previous videos. And yeah, this is the reason why I got the bucket, because doing a water change for a bigger tank can be much harder to transfer the water. So having these two little buckets is been helpful. I'm also going to be using this vacuum cleaner, and also this is going to help take out the water without bothering the fishes too much. One thing you don't want to do is stress them out. They don't like to be stressed. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So the bigger part of this suction is going to go inside the tank, and the little one right here is going to go in the bucket, so the water can come out from here and go in the bucket, and that's how you do a water change.
Right, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on.
So I just took about 25% of the water out. This is actually the recommended percent of water change that should be done weekly, and this is the second time I'm doing this, and I still have 2 more to do, like for the upcoming weeks, and that should pretty much clean out the water, make the water much more clearer. So what I'm gonna do next is try to replant all of the plant that is coming up and refill the water back to its normal level. And then next week I'll just repeat the same process, and the week after that I'll repeat the same process, and that should get our tank clean and running.
No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the
So down here I have 2 fresh water that I'm going to put back in the tank, and I am going to add some of my water conditioner into the water before adding it to the tank.
ended. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars about to let us know how to go? Whoa. We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
I just changed the water. I know it doesn't look like anything was done to the tank, but trust me, that 25% change is a whole lot for the tank. And yeah, I'm going to wait for the water to settle in for a few minutes before feeding the fishes. I can tell they're very hungry because of how they just want to eat everything and anything. But I'm gonna wait, and then I'm going to feed them, and hopefully this water change does do the trick for me. I do believe it's going to be clear for like the next couple of weeks, because it's a lot better than it was in the beginning. So I have hope everything is going to be fine. And I also heard how beneficial it is to water your plants with some of the fish tank water. And yeah, my plants are like growing really well, and not much of water in it, because the last time I watered them was like I think 3 days ago. Okay, so I am going to put that to test. I'm going to water all of my plants with the water from the fish tank, and I also did add some of the soil, aquatic soil, to the plant, because I watched on some videos on TikTok and I saw people also doing that, so I wanted to give it a try. So we are going to try using the water from the fish tank to water the plant. No, 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 no.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
I just got done with the water change for the tank and watering my plants, and I still have 2 things to like do before we call it a day for this video. And also we are losing daylight because I started vlogging very late. I don't want to move my vanity desk to the other side of the room and see how that looks. And I also have this cute little note that I was thinking of putting across my room. They are just little write-ups that motivates me and reminds me to trust the process and just keep me going. And I don't know if it's a good idea to put this all over my room. I do have 3 already sticking on the wall, and I just want to add more of them, because I feel like sometimes on the days where I am struggling to like be productive or get out of bed, or just struggling in general, I just look around my room and I see reasons to keep going. I think it's really helpful to have it in my room. And I'm just going to read one of my favorite ones for you guys that says, grapes must be crushed to make wine, diamonds form under pressure, olives are pressed to release oil, seeds grow in darkness. Whenever you feel crushed under pressure, pressed, or in darkness, you are in a powerful place of transformation. Trust the process. Isn't that motivating? So I think it's a good idea to put it around my room.
Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started, instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide.
So in my previous video, I believe I showed you guys a before of my room, but I never showed you guys the after of it, and that was because I was not fully done fixing it to the way that I want. But my room looks a little bit put together, and I think you guys deserve to see what it looks like afterwards. And so I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of my new bedroom looks like. I can't wait to show you guys. It is so cute. Every angle of my bedroom looks beautiful. Like, no matter where I decide to sit down and record or make a video, it's just going to look so beautiful because every single part of the room looks beautiful and looks put together. Let me know what you guys think about my new bedroom down in the comment section. I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on any changes with the tank and with my bedroom. But for now, I am keeping this style. I am so loving it. The lighting is perfect. The designs are good. Like, everything just looks so good and put together. I am freaking happy that I was able to achieve this look. I didn't even know I was this creative, but here we are. I am loving my new bedroom. I am so gonna spend so much time here making content for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for day 3. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. If you did, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment down below. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.